Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be making abacha. I'll be showing you how to process abacha from cassava to abacha. So it's going to be an interesting one. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Please, I'm begging you, it means a lot to me. And give me your thumbs up. Whenever I see your thumbs up, I have this feeling that I am doing something right. Don't forget to drop your comments and your suggestions in the comment section. Let's get right into it.